Crowd and rush is a common sight around the hospitals in all times. It is not only inconvenient for the patients to stand in long queues for both while booking and for checkup at the clinics, but also the traditional waiting rooms prove to be a breeding ground for germs and potential infections. In this pandemic situation of COVID 19, contactless registration and a virtual waiting queue system for hospitals is the need of the hour. Patients can book their appointments in the comfort of their home and wait at any private place of their choice while they can track and get updates about their status through our app. They would be able to know when exactly their turns would come and visit the clinic accordingly.
Yeah, let's start how to start the app. So first we need to sign in or sign up and update your profile if you are a new user. Then it will direct it to the dashboard. Here you can book your appointment. Here you can enter your appointment date, desired doctor, and symptoms, and you can click on the book now button. Here you can see the virtual waiting queue where it shows your position and you can know the status or turn and visit the clinic accordingly. Your appointments are recorded in the inventory where you can cancel your appointments, cancel your upcoming appointments. For doctors, you need to sign in and sign up and you will direct it to the dashboard similarly. For here you can see the appointment list of all the patients, and after completion of an appointment the doctor needs to click on the next button. Here you can see I clicked on the next button, and here you can see Rahan's it got changed, and this is all about the whole project flow.
So let's walk you through the Spark backend. We have used AstroDB as the database. Basically, regarding the connection, we have used the DataStax Node.js driver, the Cassandra driver npm package. We have created a server through Express.js, which basically provides a group of APIs for crowd operations. All the APIs are being hit when the end client signs up, logs in, registers, or even all operations that he or she performs on the appointments are being handled by the server. We have tried to provide basic protection while the user authenticates through encryption of passwords, and even phone number validation has provided an extra check. For making queries, we have used Cassandra Query Language to interact with the AstaDB database. We have created 6 tables in the Spark key space for authentication of patients and doctors, profile of patients and doctors, and even to keep record of each appointment of patients. When creating tables, we have kept in mind to avoid hot and weak partitions.
We have made this app simple enough so that even a single person can use it. It doesn't really require a lot of maintenance. As a result, it is very cost effective and can be easily scaled to involve more doctors and hospitals. Regarding the future of this app, we are planning to implement sockets and send real-time updates and notifications about the user's appointments to improve the user experience. In a traditional waiting room setup, it can be challenging to maintain a sense of privacy, especially when you are filling out a form on paper. But we intend to keep all of our users' data confidential and we'll keep on working more on that.
So that was all about our project by Team Spark. Thank you.